CNC beam sawing machine. The sawing accuracy reaches plus 0.1 millimeter, and it can realize automatic positioning sawing according to different sawing widths. The ball-type air-floating worktable is used to easily solve the problem of material loading, improve sawing efficiency and accuracy, and reduce plate damage and errors. High-performance pneumatic feeding clamp device, driven by precision servo positioning, 11 single-grip manipulators, can be adjusted at will. The clamp has a rubber pad to prevent damage to the board surface. Application: aluminum honeycomb panel, particle board, density board, acrylic sheet, solid wood boards, multi-layer board, calcium silicate board, etc.